Okay, today I'm going to make some insulators for my electric fence, making it out of 1/2-inch PVC. And the reason I'm doing it out of 1/2 inch is that's what I have on hand. Cutting it about 2 inches on 45, then flip it over and cut it again. So I'll make a few cuts and show you how to do it. This is what it looks like. I'll drill a hole here and here, put a sheetrock screw in it to hold it to the post. Now I'll drill a hole. I'll attach this to the post, let the wire run across here. I'll put a wire through here to secure it to the post. That way it won't be touching the screws to ground out. Okay, now I'll attach it to the post. I've already got most of them up, but I've pre-drilled the holes. I went 4 inches, I think, hold on, let me check. 16, 32, and 48. That way, keep the rabbits out, and I'll probably even put another one up higher to help deter the deer. Attachments there. I got them for a little of nothing, so I'm using them for the corner post. And then every other one I'm using 8 foot, and I'll probably put concrete up 4 foot of it just to give it stability. So got a lot of posts. So I'll get at it. The posts are 2-inch PVC Schedule 40. On the inside, I have the lightweight T-post. So I'll put concrete in there to give it more stability. Okay, I finally got all the wire run, got it secured. So maybe that'll keep the rabbits out. Just the ideal. Maybe may not be high enough for the deer, but I may step off 3 feet in front, put a rope or something to confuse them. Anyway, hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you like. Thank you.